Terme Šmarjeske Toplice is located just a few kilometers from the capital of Donetska and the highway connections, and yet lies in the middle of forests and meadows surrounded by wine-growing hills. Contemporary Slovenian health resort, known for its world-class health and medical wellness services, offers its guests a real solution to a more healthy and peaceful lifestyle. During your stay at the spa, you can choose between comfortable 4-star hotels and the modern Hotel Vitarium Superior. All have a direct access to the pool complex and the wellness centre. The pool complex consists of 2 indoor pools with an exit to the outdoor pool where the temperature of the thermal water is 32 degrees Celsius, and 3 other outdoor pools with a temperature of 26 and 28 degrees Celsius, which are located in the large spa park. One of them is the popular wooden pool, just above the thermal water spring. In addition to swimming pools, guests can relax in the world of various saunas and the Vitarium aqua bath. Wellness Centre Vitarium Spa and Clinic is known for its so-called medical wellness programs, which were established in Slovenia and are designed to prevent the civilization diseases, which are the result of modern lifestyle. Such programs are the detoxification program through Vita Detox fasting and healthy weight loss program Slim Fit, that are carried out under the guidance of a physician, nutrition advisor and personal trainer. The Centre for Rehabilitation of Cardiovascular Diseases is particularly appreciated for effective treatment of cardiovascular diseases, prevention programs for diabetes and coronary patients, and advanced rehabilitation after strokes or cardiovascular surgery and after injuries of the locomotor system. The spa also includes a modern diagnostic centre. The dishes offered are true culinary specialities, from local indigenous dishes prepared in a healthy way, vegetarian meals and dishes based on the separation diet. Seminars, motivational and business meetings, as well as education of all kinds, are in Terme Šmarjeske Toplice successful, certainly also due to the chosen peaceful and relaxing environment. The spa complex is surrounded by numerous walking paths. There is also the first Nordic walking centre with 9 marked trails. The sports park includes tennis courts, as well as football, basketball and volleyball courts. With cottages and churches, Sown Hills invite you to relaxing walks and bike tours. In such a green oasis of health, peace and welfare, it is easy to maintain or regain health. Therefore, discover your own path to a healthy lifestyle. Welcome to Terme Šmarjeske Toplice.